Hello student. So last class we discussed the linear equation problem related with the numbers. Okay. So in today class we will discuss the linear equation word problem with the related with the fraction and the ages. Okay. That means when we are asked to find any fraction by using the linear equation of one variable, or when we are asked to find the age of a person or of anything by using the linear equation of one variable. Okay. So for the first one we have given, see, the numerator of a fraction is 1 less than its denominator. That means when we have said that the numerator is 1 less than its denominator, that means numerator is less than denominator, so we have to take first denominator. Okay, that's why we have to take what? Let the denominator be, we have to assume the denominator as a x. The denominator is what? X. Okay, be careful when you choose which one you have to take, as it is said that numerator is less than denominator by 1. That means the numerator is depend upon the denominator. That's why I have to take denominator as a x. Okay, therefore what is the numerator? Numerator is 1 less than its denominator. Therefore the numerator will be what? The numerator will be 1 less. That is, it is x. 1 less will be what? X minus 1. Okay, therefore the fraction will be what? X minus 1 by x. This is the fraction. Okay, so we have given what? If the numerator is increased by 4, that means when we increase the numerator by the 4 and the denominator is increased by 5, the new fraction become equivalent to 4 by 5. That means by question we have said numerator increased by 4. That means numerator already given x minus 1. We have to increase this by 4, and numerator is increased by 5. Then this new equivalent to become 4 by 5. Okay. Now simply do the calculation. Minus 1 plus 4. You will get x plus 3. Here it is what? X plus 5 equal to 4 by 5. Now do the cross multiplication. So 5 whole into x plus 3 and 4 whole into x plus 5, or 5x plus 15, 4x plus 20. Now what we need to do? Simply we have to bring all the x to the left hand side and all the numbers to the right hand side. So 5x, here it is 4x, it is here positive. So if we turn it to the left hand side, then it is become negative. So minus 4x equal to 20. It is 28 there. Here it is 15 is positive here. So we have to take the 15 to the right hand side. So it is here positive, it will become negative. So 20 minus 15, or you will get x equal to 5. That means the denominator is what? 5. Therefore the numerator, now we are asked to find the numerator. So numerator equal to x minus 1, that means 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Okay, so we are asked to find what is the fraction. Therefore the fraction is what? The fraction is x minus 1 by x. So x, numerator 4, denominator is 5. So we will get 4 by 5, which is our required answer. Okay. So in the next question, which is given related to the population. Okay. What is given? In a town where the population is 90,000, that means the total population given 90,000. The total population given 90,000. 90,000 populations are there in a single town. Okay, then where the male population is 2/3 of the female population, that means the male population is 2 by 3 of female population. So the male population is depend upon what? Female population. That's why we need to take what? We need to take female population as a x. Okay, so let the female population be, x. Why I have taken the female population? Because the male population is depend upon the female population, so we have to take the female population at first. Then the male population is what? 2 by 3 of x. That is 2 by 3 of female population, or 2 by 3 of x. So 2 by 3 x. Okay, now this is the female population and this is the male population. Also we have given the total population 90,000. That means what can you say? That sum of these two equal to 90,000. Okay, so by question 2x by 3 plus x equal to 90,000, or simply do that LCM. 2x, here it is 3x equal to 90,000, or 5x equal to 90,000 into 3, or x equal to 90,000 into 3 divided by 5. Okay, now 5 divide this 18, so it will be 18,000. So you will get 54,000. Okay, that means the female population, we have taken x as a female population, so female population is what? 54,000. Now we are asked to find the male population. Therefore male population equal to 2 by 3rd of x, that means 2 by 3rd of female population. So you can write 2 by 3 into 54,000. Okay, again 3 divide this 18 times, or if you do 2 into 18,000 equal to 36,000. Okay, so here female population is 54,000 and male population is 36,000. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to discuss a maths related to the age. Okay, now that is our age. Okay, so before starting the age linear equation maths, I have to clarify one thing. Suppose now my age is 25 years. Okay, so 5 years ago my age will be what? Obviously 20 years. So to get the 5 years ago my age, what I have to do? I have to do simply present age minus 5. Okay, again if I ask after 5 years my age will be what? 25 plus 5. That means when we have to find the age in future, we have to add this, and when we have to find the our age in the past, then we have to subtract the given subtract the required year what we are asking from the our present age. Okay, so here it is given Ram is a half his father age now. That means Ram age is half of his father age. So Ram age is depend upon his father age. So we have to take father age as a x years. Okay, so father age equal to x years. Ram father age equal to x years. So Ram age, you said that he is half of his father age. So half of father age will be what? X by 2 years, because it is a half of his father age. Again it is said what? 10 years ago, just now I have told you, when we have to go past, I have to subtract. So 10 years ago, father age will be what? Present age minus 10. So 10 years ago, father age equal to x minus 10 years. Okay, again 10 years ago, Ram age equal to x by 2 minus 10 years. Now we have given one condition, which is what? That 10 years ago Ram is 1 by 3rd of his father age. What is the Ram age? X by 2 minus 10. So by question 10 years ago Ram age is what? X by 2 minus 10. This is equal to what is given? It is a 1/3 of his father age. So 10 years ago Ram father age is what? X minus 10. So 1/3 of x minus 10. 1 by 3 whole into x minus 10. Okay. Now simply do the calculation. X by 2 minus 10, x by 3 minus 10 by 3. Okay. Then bring all the x to the left hand side. So x by 2 minus x by 3. 10 is here negative. It will become positive. 10 minus 10 by 3. Now take the LCM. You will get here 6. 2 divides 3 times. As 2 divides 3 times, so 3x minus 2x. Here you will get 30 minus 10 equal to 20 by 3. Okay. Now what we need to do? Simply do the calculation. You will get x by 6 equal to 20 by 3. Or do the cross multiplication. 3x equal to 60. Okay. So Here is x by 6. So 20 by 3. So 3x equal to what? 20 to 6? 120. This is 120. Okay. 3x equal to 120. So x equal to what? 120 divided by 3 equal to 40. Therefore, father age is 40 years. Now we are asked to find the both of them age. Okay. Now father age we got 40 years. So Ram present age is equal to what? Half of 40 years. Therefore, Ram present age equal to 40 by 2 years equal to 20 years. This is our answer. Okay. So again one more next age related maths we have given. What is given? A boy age is 1/4 of that his father age. That means this time also we have to take his father age first, because the boy age is related to his father age. Okay. So the father age, let the father age equal to x years. Let the father present age. Okay, this is present age. Always we have to take always the present age only. Okay, so let the father present age equal to x years. Okay, so what is given? And the boy age is what? 1/4 of his father age. That means the boy age 1/4 of father age. So father age is x years. So 1/4 of that. That means 1/4 x years, or you can say directly x by 4 years. Okay. Now what we are asked? 24 years later. That means now we have to go to the future. And in the beginning of doing the maths, I have told you that to go to the future we have to add the age what is given with the present age, and to go to the past we have to subtract the required given age from the present age. So we are asked to that after 24 years the boy will be half of the age of his father. Okay, so after 24 years the father age will be what? After 24 years the father age equal to x plus 24 years. This is the after 24 years the father age. Okay. Secondly, after 24 years the boy is x by 4 plus 24 years. That means the boy is and the father is will be x plus 24 and x by 4 plus 24. But the condition is given what? That the boy is will be half of the age of his father. That means whatever the boy's age, that means this age will be half of that age. Okay. So by condition, by question, after 24 years the boy age will be half the age of his father. That means the boy is what? X by 4 plus 24, and this age equal to half of his father age. That means 1/2. Half means 1/2. Then father age will be what? X plus 24. Now simply do the calculation. X by 4 plus 24. Here we will get x by 2 plus 12, and just simply multiplying it by applying distributive law. Okay. So bring the x to the left hand side. X by 4 minus x by 2. Then here it will be what? 12 minus 24 equal to minus 12. Or you can take LCM 4. So here x minus 2x minus 12. Or by simply do the calculation. Minus 1/4 and minus 12. Minus minus can be cancelled. 1/4 means x by 4. Okay. So x by 4 equal to simply 12. And x equal to what? 12 into 4, 48. So x, we have taken x as a father present age. That's why x equal to 48 years. Now we are asked to also find the boy's present age. So the boy present age should be what? Therefore, the boy present age. Now we have to find the boy present age, which will be 48 by 4, because x by 4 is there na, then you will get 12 years, which is our required answer. So be careful when you do the maths related to the age in a linear equation. When we have to go to the future, we have to simply add the given age with the present age, and when we are asked to go for the past, then we have to subtract the given age from the present age. Okay, so that's all for today. Next class we will discuss some maths related to perimeter and money. Okay, thank you.